Designing a kitchen can be a daunting task, but with a little planning and creativity, you can create a space that is both functional and beautiful. Here is an extensive guide to kitchen design that covers all the essential aspects. Consider the layout. The layout of your kitchen is crucial to its functionality. Some popular kitchen layouts include L-shaped, U-shaped, galley, and island. Make sure that the layout you choose is tailored to your needs, and allows for efficient movement throughout the space. Plan for storage. When designing your kitchen, it's important to plan for storage. Consider the size and number of cabinets, drawers, and shelves that you'll need to store all of your kitchen essentials. It's also important to think about the placement of these storage solutions to ensure that they are easily accessible when you need them. Choose the right appliances. Choosing the right appliances is an essential part of kitchen design. Consider the size, style, and features of each appliance, and make sure that they fit in with the overall design of your kitchen. Don't forget to consider energy efficiency when choosing your appliances, as this can have a significant impact on your energy bills. Select the right lighting. Lighting is an essential aspect of kitchen design. It not only adds to the overall aesthetic of the space but also makes it easier to work in. Consider adding different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, to create a layered effect. You should also choose fixtures that are both functional and stylish. Consider the countertops. Your choice of countertops can have a significant impact on the look and feel of your kitchen. There are many different types of materials to choose from, including granite, marble, quartz, and laminate. Consider the durability, maintenance, and cost of each material when making your selection. Choose the right flooring. Flooring is another important aspect of kitchen design. Consider the durability, maintenance, and style of the flooring material you choose. Some popular options include tile, hardwood, vinyl, and laminate. Add decorative touches. Finally, consider adding some decorative touches to your kitchen to make it feel more welcoming and personal. This could include artwork, decorative tile, plants, or other decorative items that reflect your personal style. Overall, designing a kitchen requires careful planning and attention to detail. By considering the layout, storage, appliances, lighting, countertops, flooring, and decorative touches, you can create a kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Here are some general dimensions to keep in mind. Countertop height. The standard height for a kitchen countertop is 36 inches, 91.4 centimeters, but this can vary based on the height of the people using the kitchen. Some people may prefer a lower or higher countertop height for comfort and ease of use. Work triangle. The work triangle is the path between the sink, stove, and refrigerator, and it should be designed to be as efficient as possible. The total length of the work triangle should be no more than 26 feet, 7.9 meters, with each leg of the triangle measuring between 4 and 9 feet, 1.2 to 2.7 meters. Cabinet depth. The depth of kitchen cabinets can vary, but a standard depth is 24 inches, 61 centimeters. This allows for most standard-sized kitchen appliances to fit comfortably within the cabinets. Kitchen island. If you're including an island in your kitchen design, it's important to consider the size and layout of the island. The standard size for a kitchen island is between 3 and 4 feet wide, 0.9 to 1.2 meters, and between 7 and 10 feet long, 2.1 to 3 meters. Walkway width. The width of the walkways in your kitchen should be at least 36 inches, 91.4 centimeters, to allow for easy movement throughout the space. If you have a particularly large kitchen, you may want to consider wider walkways. These are just general dimensions, and the specific dimensions for your kitchen may vary depending on the size and layout of the space. When designing your kitchen, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences, and to work with a professional to create a design that fits your unique space.